Hi everyone, today we are unboxing USB microphone Boya PM500. It's a USB microphone. You can use this for streaming, voiceovers, as well as Zoom calls, and it's connected with USB. So let's check this out. So I bought this from Amazon for Australian $50. So here it is. Couple of Boya stickers. Oh, don't really need this. USB microphone guide. Okay, so it has omnidirectional, so which is anything around, and cardioid is front facing. That's the sound that this will pick up. Alright, so here it is. Alright, so that's what it looks like. So just by looking at this, I think it's sitting a little bit too low to the table. So if I'm on a standard table, this is a little bit too low. So I might personally use this little blocks that comes with to put it on top to make it more level height. But other than that, it feels quite sturdy. It definitely does not feel cheap. It has a sturdy feeling about it. Can't wait to test it out. It comes with these two cables, USB-C to USB-A. I assume this is to connect here to USB-C and USB-A. And this one is USB-C to USB-C. Fantastic. Try this out very soon. So this is a test. Now I'm speaking directly onto the Boya M500 mic, and this is a direct recording on it. This is another voice test. Now I'm not on the Boya mic M500. Now I'm speaking directly to the camera, my Sony ZVE10, and the onboard microphone is picking this up. So this is a difference from the last mic. Okay, another test. Now I'm back on the Boya M500 mic again, as you can see here. Now speaking directly onto the Boya M500 mic. Hopefully you guys can see the difference between speaking directly to the camera's mic versus using the Boya M500 mic. Okay, back on the fourth test. Now not using the Boya mic speaking directly to the camera's onboard mic. And just an FYI, I don't have a shotgun mic. This is speaking directly onto the Sony ZVE10. This is what it sounds like. No mic, as the camera as it is. In terms of my final thoughts on the Boya MP500, sound quality wise, the Boya MP500 delivers clear and crisp audio, making it perfect for recording vocals and instruments. It also has a wide frequency response and high sensitivity, making it great for capturing subtle nuances in sound. The Boya MP500 is easy to use and comes with a USB cable for easy connection to your computer or recording device. It's also compatible with most recording software, making it a great choice for those starting out or those who want a reliable and affordable microphone for their home studio. If you're in the market for a new microphone, the Boya MP500 is definitely worth considering with its versatile features and great sound quality. It's sure to be a valuable addition to your recording setup.